If you're enjoying your new Hunter fan, which came with this remote, but you hate having to look for that remote each time you enter the room, then watch this video and I'll show you how to replace the standard wall switch with this new Hunter remote control switch. Of course, the first step is to ensure the power is off. Now you're going to remove the wall plate cover and the switch itself. Use a screwdriver to remove the ground wire. And in my case, the regular wires are pushed into a push connector. I didn't have a screwdriver small enough to push into the release slot, so I just took a paper clip and stuck in there to release the wire. There are three connections you'll have to make. First, I'll connect the yellow and green ground wire to the bare copper wire. Now you have to figure out which wire is your hot wire coming into the box and connect that to the wire on your switch labeled VAC. There's a simple test you can do to see which wire is the hot wire. First, place the wire nuts back on the wires and turn the power back on. Next, you'll take a voltage tester like the one I have here and hold it up to each wire. The one that flashes red and beeps is the wire that has the power. This is the one you will connect to the line from your switch that says VAC. Be sure to remember to turn the power back off before proceeding. After verifying that the power is off, we can now proceed with connecting the remaining connections. Here we'll connect the wire we identified as the hot wire to the line that says VAC on the switch. Now we'll connect the last wire which goes up to the fan itself. Now you can insert the batteries into the wall switch. Now push all the wires back into the box and secure the switch to the box. And finally, you can put the wall plate cover in place. With the installation completed, you now have to pair the wall controller to your fan. To do this, you'll turn the power back on, and within 3 minutes of turning the power back on, you'll have to hold the fan and the light button simultaneously until you hear a beep. With it paired, you can now use both the wall switch and your remote control to control your light and fan. This has been a DIY Saver production. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. And if you'd like to see more of my content, hit the subscribe as well.